With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, we have a new problem here, that is, let omega is a cube root of unity such that 1 plus omega squared to the power 8 is equals to a plus b omega, where a and b are real numbers. Then we have to find mod of a plus b. Now as we know that sum of all cube root of unity is equals to 0, that is 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. So from here we can say that 1 plus omega square is equals to minus omega. Now if we replace 1 plus omega square is equals to minus omega in this equation, then we will get minus omega to the power 8 is equals to a plus b omega. And also we can write this omega to the power 8 is equals to a plus b omega. Now 8 is of the form 3k plus 2. So omega to the power 8 is equals to omega square, and which is equals to a plus b omega. Now again we can write this omega square from here. Omega square is equals to minus 1 minus omega. So further we can write this 1 minus omega is equals to a plus b omega. Now on comparing LHS and RHS, we can say that a is equals to minus 1 and b is equals to minus 1. So a plus b will be equals to minus 2, and mod of a plus b is equals to 2.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.